The Indian Army does not use Ayurveda to classify physical structures or set recruitment rules. Instead, it relies on regional, anthropological, and biomechanical standards. Height variations between hill communities, like Gorkhas and Dogras, and flat plains regions, like Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan, are driven by genetic adaptation, terrain, and climate, rather than Ayurvedic doshas. Physical stature and regiments. Tallest, bulkiest plains regiments. Regiments drawing from the western plains, such as the Sikh Regiment, Punjab Regiment, and Jata Rajput units, frequently record higher average statures. The Indian Army standard minimum height for general duty in these flat plains is 170 centimeters. Compact hill regiments, the Gorkha Rifles and Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, including Dogras, feature more compact, highly resilient builds. Minimum height criteria dropped to 157 to 163 centimeters for these regions to match local demographics and functional utility in steep terrain. Why mountain peoples often have lesser height? 1. Evolutionary adaptation. High altitude and rugged terrain favor a lower center of gravity, compact muscle bellies, and efficient oxygen consumption over sheer linear height. 2. Nutritional and environmental factors. Colder climates, steep historical geography, and local dietary availability historically shaped smaller, dense skeletal frames optimal for endurance in thin air. And 3. Plains nutrition and genetics. Flat alluvial plains like those in Punjab, Haryana, and parts of western Uttar Pradesh historically featured high-protein agricultural diets rich in dairy, correlating with taller average statures over generations. The Ayurvedic perspective, Prakriti framework. While unlinked to military policy, traditional Ayurveda classifies body frames via the Tridoshas. 1. Water, air, space, characterized by a lean, slender, or unusually tall, short erratic frame. 2. Pitta, fire, water, characterized by a medium, athletic, and well-proportioned build. And 3. Kapha, water, earth, characterized by a large, heavy, thick-set, and robust physical structure. To explore more on this topic, do you need details on snow-capped mountain-specific regional height criteria for other states, green salad traditional Ayurvedic body typing methods, man-running physical training standards for Agniveer recruitment? Share your focus so I can provide the exact data you need. The Indian Army enforces regional height standards, e.g., 170 centimeters for plains like Punjab, Haryana vs 157 to 163 centimeters for hill, Gorkha, Dogra regions, based on operational ergonomics and terrain adaptation, while Ayurveda attributes structural size to Prakriti. Kapha dominant builds are largest, shaped by diet, ahara, and habitat, desha. Ayurvedic perspective on body size and geography. 1. Kapha dosha, earth plus water, governs heavy, dense, and sturdy physical structures, leading to broad chests and robust frames. 2. Vata dosha, space plus air, governs lightness and mobility, often producing leaner or more compact statures. And 3. Desha, habitat. Ayurveda recognizes that regional climate and terrain influence tissue, dhatu, development. Flat, fertile plains promote rich nourishment and denser physical growth, whereas rugged mountainous terrain naturally selects for compact, oxygen-efficient, and agile builds. Indian Army stature standards and terrain. Punjab and Haryana, plains, lower altitude, nutrient-rich agrarian diets traditionally high in dairy and fats foster taller, heavier frames, reflected in the 170 centimeters general duty height requirement. Gorkha and Dogra, hills, high-altitude environments require cardiovascular efficiency and a lower center of gravity for steep ascents. The Indian Army adjusts height criteria downward, 157 to 163 centimeters, because compact statures offer superior functional endurance in mountain warfare.
ਜਦੋਂ ਰਵੀ ਰਾਜਗੜ੍ਹ ਨੇ
Further
Mount
exploration.
Kashmir ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ
Review
ਬਾਹਰ
regional
ਭੇਜਿਆ।
eligibility
ਉਸ
rules
time
via the
ਤੇ
Indian
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
Army
CIA
official
staff
portal.
ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ interrogate ਕੀਤਾ
Understand constitutional
ਗਿਆ।
biology through
ਬੁਲਾਇਆ
Ayurveda body
ਗਿਆ।
types overview.
C2 ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਵੀ
To
ਜੋ ਵੀ
explore this
ਪੈਸਾ
further,
ਲੱਗੇਗਾ,
would you
ਵੀ
like to
ਜੋ
discuss
25%
green
ਵੀ
salad
ਕੀ
specific
ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ।
Ayurvedic diets for body
ਜਦੋਂ
types,
ਰਵੀ ਨੂੰ
water,
arrest ਕੀਤਾ,
pitta, kapha,
ਲੋਕਾਂ
snow-capped
ਦੇ
mountain
ਵਿੱਚ
detailed
ਇਹ
army criteria for
ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ
other
ਫੈਲ
recruitment
ਗਈਆਂ
zones
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ
DNA
ਰਵੀ
the science
ਭੱਜਿਆ
of
ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ,
genetics
ਬਹੁਤ
and
time ਤੋਂ
geography
ਪੁਲਿਸ ਨੇ
let me know
ਹੱਥ
what you
ਨਹੀਂ
would
ਆ
like
ਰਿਹਾ
to look into
ਸੀਗਾ।
next.
ਪੁਲਿਸ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਬੂ ਕੀਤਾ।